say tink instead of think, or this instead of this, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to pronounce TH sound correctly in English. Stay with me. Many people struggle to pronounce this sound, especially in Nigeria. But after this video, you will be able to pronounce it confidently. Let's get right into the lesson. The letters T and H has two types of sound. The soft sound, which is the voiceless sound, okay? It is very easy to pronounce. It is not very loud, okay? The sound is you can hear it in words like think, thank, thumb, theme, okay? Let's practice how to produce this sound. Put your tongue slightly between your teeth, like this, okay? And gently blow air, okay? Blow air out slowly and gently. Do not use your voice. When you're making the sound, don't use your voice. Don't do something like the. No. Just put your tongue slightly in between your teeth and then you blow air out gently. Yes, that's how to produce the voiceless or the soft TH sound. Now repeat after me. Think, think, three, thumb, thumb, theme. Now you can see the position of my lips, you can see the position of my tongue, and how I gently blow air even when I am pronouncing a word. Three. I'm not using my voice like three. No, I am just using the air and then apply force. Three. Okay? The second TH sound is the hard sound. It is also called a voiced sound. It is pronounced the. You can hear the sound in words like this, that, those, then, okay? Same tongue position. When you're making the sound, it is the same tongue position, okay? But this time you use your voice. Place your tongue in between your teeth and then you use your voice. The. Remember the first one, you don't use your voice, okay? But the second one, because it is a hard sound, a voiced sound, you have to use your voice. Secondly, there will be a form of vibration when you're trying to make the sound. The. That's how the sound is produced. Here are common mistakes you should avoid. Many people mistake for t. Okay, so they say things like think, I am thinking, instead of think. They also replace the with the. So they say things like this instead of this. Stop doing this. It changes your pronunciation completely. Let's practice some sentences that will help us in the mastery of these sounds. The first sentence: think about three things. Think about three things. Those are their books. Those are their books. This is my sister. This is my sister. Now, if you listen to the last sentence, this is my sister. you can see that the way I pronounce sister, my tongue position is different from when I said this. This is my sister. Pause this video and practice this sentence again. This is a very important tip that will help you in mastering the TH sound. Pause this video, practice in front of a mirror. Okay? Make sure that you're reading the sentences and practicing them in front of a mirror. Trust me, you will get it right. Now you know the difference between the two sounds. Keep practicing every day and you will improve quickly. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you can always see my videos. Do not forget to like and leave a comment. Have you been saying the TH words right? Are you learning for the first time? Leave a comment down below. I'll see you in my next lesson.